I would tell them they are still the first same person that they were the day before, and that it's not the end. Ond pan mae bobl yn cael y diagnosis, mae o'n dychryn, a dych chi'n meddwl mae bywyd fi drosodd. Wel, dydy o ddim. Mae bywyd yn cario ymlaen, mae rhaid o cario ymlaen. A just cario ymlaen i wneud bob dim fedrwch chi, heb fod yn ofyn. Ac os oes y pethau'n dod i fyny, mae fedrwch chi'n wneud, wel, jyst gadael rhywun arall wneud. So, just keep living. You're still you.
Dementia is just a word. You're a person.
Try and find a group of people living with dementia.
Speak to other people with dementia. Listen to the advice they give you. It's up to you whether you would take the advice or not.
Yes, there's going to be challenges, but find ways to work around them challenges. And by speaking to peers, they can give you tips.
Join anything to do with dementia, because the more people you mix with dementia, the better you will feel.
And try and use technology as well that can help you. Because I live alone, I was burning all my dinners, forgetting where I was supposed to be. I now use Alexa, and she reminds me about everything, and that helps me keep my independence.
I've had dementia for over 4 years, and I can manage my dementia quite well, and there's no reason why you can't manage dementia quite well.
And learn to laugh at yourself. You know, I do so much silly things. I put the washing in the fridge. I made coffee for my friends and I used gravy granules. But I laughed. And if you laugh at yourself, people will laugh with you. Keep smiling.